Shaking paints by hand is a waste of time and energy. Plus, it really sucks. My name is the Hobbyist, and these days, shaking paints is way easier than before. And that's why I'm gonna show you the best paint mixer for Citadel Paints, and you'll learn exactly how to use it. Lots of options on the market are either way too expensive, or they're ineffective at mixing paints, or in the worst case scenarios, can even cause you nerve damage. But not anymore. All those problems are thrown out the window with the 4 Pro Nail Polish Shaker. That's right, a nail polish shaker. This bad boy right here mixes paints with the same, if not more, efficiency than all the other hobby shakers and vortex spinners you've seen without any of the downsides. Let's go ahead and unbox the mixer. Let's see what comes inside the box. First, go ahead and open up your package. You'll be greeted with an easy-to-follow instruction manual, AC power cord, the elastic safety straps to secure your paint pots, and finally, the shaker itself. Now it's time for you to see just how to use it. First, we gotta get the machine powered up. You can choose between using 3 AA batteries or using the AC power adapter that comes in the box. I personally recommend using the power adapter, so that's what we're going to use for this tutorial. Second, we're going to pick which paint we need to mix. A lot of people in the Warhammer community seem to encounter issues with Corax White, and after popping this lid, this doesn't look right to me at all. We're going to have to mix this one. This next step is completely optional, but if you follow it, you're going to take your paint mixing to an elite level, and a lot of you already have what I'm about to mention laying around. Buy yourself a box or 2 of these stainless steel mixing bowls by the Army Painter. They help stir and mix your paints, which maximizes your shaking efficiency. Once you have them, just drop 2 into your paint pot and you're good to go. Now, here's the fun part. We're going to securely strap in our paint pot to the shaker machine using the elastic straps that came with our package. In case you might have lost all the straps that came with your package, no worries, because you can substitute them with black elastic hair ties you can get from the dollar store. Finally, after you've strapped in your paint, make sure the power's flowing, and all you gotta do now is push the button and you're good to go. The paint will start mixing immediately, and will be ready to be applied to your minis in 20 seconds tops. Keep in mind, this machine is durable, but don't turn this thing on then wander off and forget about it. I recommend only using them in short 2 to 3 minute bursts with a couple seconds of rest between paint pots and a full minute rest between mixing sessions. That way, you'll extend the motor life of your paint mixer to as long as it can last. Alright. Now that looks ready to paint. This paint can now be used on our miniatures. Okay everyone, I hope you've learned something new and or valuable from this video tutorial. Leave a comment so you can tell me what you thought about the video. Like and subscribe so you can watch more videos from Toy Soldier Central, and visit our website where you can find more tutorials, reviews on mini brands, and a heck of a lot more. And for you dedicated hobbyists, make sure you support Toy Soldier Central on Patreon so you can get access to a lot of exclusive content. We at Toy Soldier Central salute you. The Hobbyist out.